Hello everyone. How are you today? Now in this video, I will answer the arithmetic sequence problem. And this is for today for 8th grade level. So the problem was if 3x minus 4, 2x plus 7, 6x minus 12 form an arithmetic sequence, find x and the 20th term of the sequence. In this given, we don't know what will be the common difference, which is the D. It's the D. So we don't know what's the D and what will be the value of the first term and the last term, which is we need naman or here is 20th term. Okay, so let's find out the difference, which is we can find the value of x. So again, our a sub 1 is 3x minus 4. Then our number of terms is 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 terms. Then we don't know what is our difference and we need to find the value of our x. If you recall the common difference, we can get that one to subtract the previous or the second term to first term. Same thing with the third term minus second term. Since there are 3 terms only, so we can use this equation to get the difference, which in this case, we need to know first the value of x. So let's substitute. So which is x sub 2 is 2x plus 7 minus a sub 1, which is 3x minus 4 equals a sub 3 is 6x minus 12 minus a sub 2 is 2x plus 7. Now, let's subtract 2x minus 3x is negative x. 7 minus negative 4 is 11 equals 6x minus 2x is 4x. Negative 12 minus 7 is negative 19 or minus 19. Let's combine like terms. So we have 4x plus x equals 11 plus 19 using the additive inverse or addition property of equality. Now we have 5x at the left side and 30 on the right side. Now, let's divide both sides by 5 to eliminate your 5 or you multiply by 1/5 the inverse of 5. So, let's do division. So, therefore, we can cancel this one and the value of our x now is 6. So, we have 6. Then we can use this one to substitute to get the first term. Okay? Then 3 times 6 is 18. 18 minus 4 is 14. Now, this is our a sub 1. To get the a sub 20, we can use the formula, but we don't have difference. Okay? Now, let's find the a sub 2. So, using the 2x plus 7, where 6 is x, so 2 times 6 is 12 plus 7 is 19. A sub 3, so 6 times 6 is x is 6 again, is 36 minus 12. And that is how many? 20? 24. Yeah. So now as you can see that if you follow this, that a sub 2 is 19, a sub 1 is 14, it's 5, then 24 minus 19 is equals to 5. Therefore, our D now is 5. Now, let's use the formula of arithmetic sequence. Then, substitute that A sub 20. A sub 1 is 14 plus, we have 20 minus 1 because our terms is 20 here. So, the number of terms is also 20. Multiply by 5. Then, simplified inside the parenthesis, which is 20 minus 1 is 19. Then, 19 times 5. You multiply first before we add by 14. So, that is 1,095. Hold on. It's not 1,095. Oh my gosh. It's only, why 1,000? It's only 95. So 9 times 5, 45, carry 4. 5 plus, times 1 is 5 plus 4 is 9. Then that is total of 109. So our 20th term is 109. So to answer this problem, our x is 6 and our 20th term of the sequence is 109. So this is how you solve when you encounter arithmetic sequence, okay, during your exam or quiz. Okay, thank you for listening. See you my next one. Bye-bye.